DIE stands for describe, interpret and evaluate. This is going to supercharge your critical analysis skills. Describe. What claims are actually being made? Where does this sit in relation to other literature and theory? What is being argued for and against? How are the arguments supported? Interpret. What does it imply? To what extent is it relevant? What is its practical application? To whom or what does it apply? Whom or what is ignored or excluded? How are your own views affecting your response to it? Evaluate. How valuable and important is it? What are its strengths, its weaknesses? What contribution does it make? Grab this free DIE method PDF for your critical analysis. Click the link in my bio and head to Free Student Resource Zone.